Okay, everyone, let's get our meeting started. I have an important update regarding our time clock process. We'll be getting a new system in 3 weeks, and as we discussed, we'll be moving away from the paper schedule and using these new electronic time clocks. Now we need to figure out how to roll this out to our staff.
Well, I've already been discussing this with my team, and some of them are feeling fine about it, but some are very nervous. This is their paycheck we're talking about, so they're worried about errors and not getting paid correctly.
My team said the same thing. They're worried about the change.
I have 2 people who are not comfortable with any computers. I'm worried about them learning the new system. I think it's going to take a while.
Okay, I hear you. There's lots of anxiety about this. I figured that would be the case. We're changing a very important process, and people want to make sure it's accurate. I was thinking about having an all-staff meeting to review the change. I think if you can collect more questions and concerns, I can answer them in the meeting.
I like the idea of smaller meetings. I think people are more comfortable asking questions in small meetings.
I agree. So what I'm thinking is you have your smaller meetings to alert the team about the change. Collect questions and let me know about the general concerns and issues that people are worried about. Then I'll have a large meeting to address all those questions.
Okay. And I think it would be helpful, too, if we came up with a plan for the concerns that we already know about, like my staff's concerns about the accuracy.
Yes, and my folks who will have a hard time learning the computer process.
So what are your thoughts on this? Any ideas?
Do we have to start everything at once?
Well, what do you mean?
Well, can we use both systems for a week or so to give people time to get used to it and to maybe prove the accuracy or work out any problems?
I like the idea, but I can't have payroll department doing double work for a whole week. That's partly why we're moving to this system, to make our process more effective. But I do like the general idea. How about for 2 or 3 days we do both?
3 days, please. And I'd like to give people some training and time to practice even before that.
What do you mean practice? Because I was thinking that too.
I don't even think the machine needs to be hooked up. I just want my team to be able to get used to it. Know what they need to push, what to do, that kind of thing. Get familiar with it before they actually have to use it.
Okay, good idea. I can have Alice, the payroll manager, set up some times for training and demonstration and practice.
And what about making this more fun? Could we have a contest during the trial period? Something like whoever has no errors on their punches gets entered for a chance to win a prize?
I want us to think about that too. I do want this to be exciting and fun. We can have a prize drawing. Any other ideas?
Let's have a lunch party. My team can work with the patients to make decorations and sweets, and we can have a party to celebrate our new change. Make this a feel-good thing.
I like it.
I think we should name the punch machine. Really, I think giving it a name, like a pet or a person, would help it seem less intimidating.
Okay, we can consider giving it a name.
Hey, make that a contest, too. People can submit ideas. We can have staff vote on the name, and the winner gets the prize.
Well, I'm feeling much better about this. If we can help staff to see this as a celebration of change and not a scary thing, it may well help out our transition to the new system. I like the idea of giving them time to get used to it, to practice with it, to start and trust it. And having a pet name can certainly help us with trust. Nice work, team. Remember to get back with me with any concerns that come up. Thank you.